Hi, my name is Lizanne Bam. I'm an industrial engineer by training and I'm a lecturer in the manufacturing engineering program here at UBCO. In the first year, I'll see you for engineering analysis. That's your first introduction to calculus. While I enjoy that industrial engineering emphasizes the development of both technical and complementary skills, especially from the realm of management science, I think that combination positions you well to add value throughout the span of a career. I also enjoy that industrial engineering develops a strong generalizable skill set that you can apply in a variety of fields. It's not a career that paints you into a corner. One moment you could be applying your skill set to challenges in the healthcare system, and the next moment you could be applying that same skill set to challenges in the mining sector, for example. The manufacturing engineering program at UBCO has a production management focus rather than a technical manufacturing focus. And so the program is well suited to students that are more interested in systems level analyses rather than the more technical aspects of manufacturing. The program at UBCO is quite small, and this has a number of advantages. One of them is that students have an opportunity to build a strong community and professional network that they can carry with them throughout the span of their careers. A small program also allows students to have more frequent interactions with highly experienced and knowledgeable faculty members. And finally, a small program allows more opportunities for students to participate in undergraduate research activities if that's an area of interest to them. I feel very lucky to have a position here at UBCO. I enjoy seeing how people develop their own proficiency, and teaching gives you a fantastic opportunity to have a front row seat to seeing students develop and grow in their own skill set and confidence and prepare for fantastic careers. The School of Engineering attracts faculty and students from all around the world, and on both a personal and a professional level I find this very meaningful. On a personal level, I think there's such a richness to sharing and getting to know cultures from all around the world. And on a professional level, it strengthens our critical thinking, our exposure to different perspectives.
Hello everyone, my name is Dean Richard. I am the program chair of the Manufacturing Engineering program at UBC Okanagan. In this video, I will explain what manufacturing engineering is, what were some of the things that you will learn in the program, some of the highlights of the program, and job opportunities you can look forward to when you graduate. Manufacturing engineering is a good option for those of you who are interested in how things are made, because manufacturing engineers are involved in almost every stage in the production of products, from the materials and the manufacturing processes that are used, to the production technology that is used for automation and robotics, to the management and planning of resources. And here you can see some of the topics listed that you will learn throughout your degree. There are a number of specializations and options available to manufacturing engineering students. The first is a minor in computer science, which is a great complement to the program since data and digitalization is becoming more and more important in manufacturing. We also have a minor in management, which again is a great complement to the program as you learn a little bit more about the business side of manufacturing. And I'd also like to highlight our newly launched aerospace option, where you can learn about aircraft structures, materials, and manufacturing in the aerospace industry. So what can you expect to do in your degree? Manufacturing engineering is not a traditional discipline like mechanical or electrical engineering. Rather, it is a package of knowledge and skills that have been put together based on the industry needs in the manufacturing sector. So we have three main strengths of our program. The first is engineering management. The second is industrial automation and intelligent systems. And the third is advanced materials and processes. You can see from this radar plot to the right that the manufacturing program is a little bit more of a broad program, whereas the mechanical and the electrical programs focus a little bit more on some of those traditional engineering science topics. Hands-on education and experience is really important in our program, and our students get more time in the lab compared to other programs. For example, in year 3, our manufacturing engineering students take a year-long project design course where you will spend most of your time working with the manufacturing equipment in our undergraduate teaching labs. In these pictures, you can see some of the equipment that we have in our undergraduate teaching lab. We have industrial robots, advanced measurement equipment, and industry standard software that allows you to simulate a whole host of manufacturing processes. We also have a number of lab scale production systems that have industry control systems that students use to learn how to program and design. We also have integrated industry certifications into our program. So throughout your normal coursework, you can earn these industry certifications free of charge. So what can you learn? So what can you expect from your student experience? So there are a number of clubs on campus that would be interesting to students who are in the manufacturing engineering program. The first is the Motorsports Club, where students design, build, and race open-wheeled race cars. We also have an aerospace club if you're interested in UAVs or rockets or airplanes. We are also hosts to the first and only student section in British Columbia for the International Society of Automation. And we also have an IEEE student chapter where we connect our students to other industry professionals. There are a number of research opportunities as well within the program. The first is called the Industry Informed Curriculum Supplement Program, or IICS. This is a paid opportunity that allows students to work alongside industry partners and faculty supervisors to solve real-world engineering problems. And then our students in the IICS program then convert their projects into a case study or lab material that is integrated into our program so that students in the future can learn from your experience. There are also often work study and student research opportunities in the areas in which our faculty are doing research. So right now that includes additive manufacturing, operations management, sustainable engineering, automation, and robotics. So what is the industry demand for manufacturing engineers, and what are some of your career options? So here I'd like to highlight some of the examples of co-op placements that our students have worked at. The first was a position at Sky Automation in Ontario as an automation engineer working with industrial robotics and industrial control systems. And we also have had a student as a test and validation engineer at Hexagon Agility here in Kelowna, and this company develops clean energy solutions. So manufacturing accounts for 10% of Canada's GDP, so it's a major economic contributor to the country. It also directly employs 1.8 million people and indirectly employs around 3 million people in Canada. There are various subsectors of manufacturing that our students would be expected to find jobs in. These include aerospace and automotive, pharmaceuticals, clean tech, computer chip manufacturing, mining, agriculture and food production, and forestry. We also have a number of local companies who have been very supportive of our program and have hired a number of our students, including Ballad Manufacturing in Salmon Arm, Sync Robotics, and Technology Brewing. And I would recommend that you look up some of these local companies as they're doing some pretty exciting work in the area of advanced robotics. So I will conclude this video with a quote from the Canadian Manufacturers and Exporters Report, which says that the thing that is impacting the growth of manufacturing in Canada is a lack of skilled labor. And this is the main motivation for offering manufacturing engineering to our students now at UBC. If you want more information about the program, you can visit our website. And I will leave you with a picture of our undergraduate teaching lab with some of the exciting equipment that you would be learning on throughout your coursework. Thanks for watching.